Understanding dependency conflicts.
Dependency conflicts occur when two or more libraries in your project require different versions of the same package. This can lead to errors, unpredictable behavior, or failed builds. Recognizing why these conflicts happen is the first step towards resolving them and maintaining a healthy, stable code base.
Identifying conflicting dependencies.
To spot dependency conflicts, check your project's dependency management files, such as package.json or requirements.txt. Tools like npm, pip, maven, or gradle often highlight version mismatches. Error messages during installation or build processes commonly point to the exact libraries involved in the conflict.
Troubleshooting the conflict.
Troubleshooting begins with understanding which dependencies are incompatible. Use dependency tree visualizers or built-in commands like npm ls or pip-deptree to map out relationships. Compare the required versions and look for overlapping or clashing requirements between libraries.
Resolving the conflict.
To resolve conflicts, try upgrading all dependencies to a version compatible with each other. If not possible, use resolution strategies provided by your package manager, such as overriding versions, using virtual environments, or specifying dependency exclusions. Consult library documentation for compatibility notes and recommended workarounds.
Preventing future dependency issues.
Prevent conflicts by regularly updating dependencies, reviewing changelogs, and using version locks or semantic versioning tools. Automate dependency checks with CI tools and consider adopting a policy for reviewing external packages before including them in your project.